Say hi, Alison. Ay, very good talaga ang bata, oh.
Let's go there, this one, counter. Bye-bye. Madali lang kami, madali lang ako, uwi na. Let's go na.
Let's go.
Don't cry because mommy is born.
Susundoon natin si Kuya. Kala na. Kala na. Go na. Bawal ano. Okay na. Uuwi din yun si Mami. Uuwi din yun si Daddy. Makani. We don't cry. Don't cry.
Ako pa magsasundo sa dalawa.
Pwede mag-video dito. Video. Alison! Alison, say hi to me. Eh, pag ako nagsundo mag-isa, naupod man yun.
Mamaya, anong oras? 3:30 na. Kaya lang,
Mami, let's go home later. Yo, what do you want to buy? Oh, choose. Here, not there. Maano man yun. Pangit man suot. Matigsom. Ano pa iwan?
because mom is still working. 20 minutes pa. You know, mom? Mom will get back to mommy because you're here. We're not supposed to. 20 minutes pa. 20 minutes pa.
Next time, hindi ka na namin pasamahin dito. Uy, one only. One only. Hindi mo yun mauubos. Hindi mo mauubos yun.
You cannot give them. It's one
kasama yung sa ano.
We need this because for kids and they like eggs.
Oh, ito pa. Uy, kuha kami na iba. Okay.
Kada na Alison.
Oh, just...
Sabi kasi
You always crying kasi. No need to cry. Wow, stop it na.
oh, careful.
Ay, katib. Ay, the crying little girl is helper. Is helping.
Ay, may anto na 5 ha. Careful.
Say hi, Alison. Ay, very good talaga ang bata, oh. The baby girl is helping with us. So very good. Saan ang nilagay? Uy, kunin mo yung ano.
Oo, tabi na, tabi.
Thank you.
Uy, away yun nila ha. Ho.
Okay lang yan. No need to worry. It's just a car.